Please, watch this journey until the very end. While this is an AI tribute, this hunger and this hope are happening in our world right now. I am here in the heart of the city today, selecting the very best for our brothers. It is important to choose only the finest mutton. They deserve a meal prepared with honor. Now to the van. The journey of love is just beginning. I am loading these gifts now. Every ingredient is a prayer for the children we are about to see. Everything must be handled with care. The love starts here, in how we prepare the provision. I am driving to Asia's hope now. My heart is already there with the children. The city noise is fading. It feels so peaceful as we approach the place where love lives. The boys are helping me now. We work together to bring these gifts inside. We are bringing the mutton and the fresh herbs into the kitchen now. The children are so helpful. Step inside with me. It is cool in here, and we have much work to do before the meal. I am teaching the little ones how we prepare the food with love and cleanliness. The last of the ingredients are inside now. These young ones have such willing hearts.
This pot is large, but our love for these children is even larger. We begin now.
I am here in the kitchen now, starting the long process of preparing this meal. The aroma of the spices is already filling the air. Now I am adding the final blend of spices to bring out the richness of the curry. The colors are so vibrant, reminding me of the beautiful
The mutton is now simmering. The hard work of the fire is nearly done. I am taking a moment to...
I am carrying the first of the plates out to the long tables now. The sun is hitting the pavilion just right. I like to make sure everything is perfect. Even the smallest details matter. When you serve with love, you don't rush. You savor every single move. Adding the fruit now, nature's sweetness to complement the savory curry. The colors of these mangoes are so bright. They remind me of the children's... The doors are open now, and my heart is opening even wider to receive them. I can see the grandmothers and grandfathers. I am bringing the bread now, the foundation of the meal we are about to share. The warmth of the roti feels so good. The time has finally come, the meal is ready, and the guests are waiting. I am helping to bring out the main pot. The weight of it is a joy to...
I am continuing to ladle the curry. The steam is so warm and fragrant on my face. Every scoop feels like a heavy weight of love that I am ready to pour.
I am finishing the first table now. The abundance is exactly what I prayed for. I see them...
I am taking extra care with our elders. They have waited so long for such a moment.
I am starting to lay the table now. The air is filled with the scent of the curry. I am arranging everything with care. Soon, our brothers and sisters will be here to share this gift. I see them coming now. My heart is full as the first guests arrive. I am placing the food with honor. Each bowl is a testament to the love we share. I am adding the fruits of the land, sweetness, to complete the nourishment for my friends. The table is ready. I am welcoming my friends to their places now.
Thank you, sir.
Every face tells a story of a lifetime. I am honored to serve them today. May you be blessed. We are all gathered now. The abundance is here, and the love is ready to be shared.
I feel his hunger, not just for food, but for the warmth of being seen.
Every soul here is a treasure. I want them to know they are loved.
I walk among them as a brother, bringing the strength they gave to others.
Their smiles are my greatest reward, and I see so much strength here.
Nothing should be wasted. There are many more waiting for a meal today.
I am preparing these for the families in the streets. Love knows no bounds. We go to them. I am taking these warm meals to my brothers and sisters who are waiting in the sun. It feels so peaceful to share what we have prepared with so much love today.
Every box is a prayer. Every smile I receive is a gift from the Father.
I am going back for the rest of the meals. The abundance is meant for all. I am taking these to the families waiting near the end of the line now. Hello, I have some meals for you. Sharing this food is like sharing a piece of my heart with them. Thank you.
Thank you.
The last box is gone, but the love we shared will remain in this place. Now, I am going to the house of prayer to offer a blessing for all of us. I have arrived at this sacred space, the heart of the community here in Cambodia, to offer a final grace.
Walking barefoot on this ground feels like a conversation with the earth and the soul of this nation. I look out at this beautiful land, and I see a future filled with the same hope I saw in the children's eyes. My work here today is done, but the love we shared will remain in this orphanage and this church forever. I lift my hands to bless this house, these orphans, and every heart that beats for love in Cambodia.
The light out here is just as sacred as the light inside. It follows us wherever we go to serve. Every journey of love brings us back to where we started, but with a heart that is much fuller.
See the joy your love can bring. Please subscribe and comment below. Where should I go next to serve and help those in need?